Hey YouTube, I'm doing outstanding and welcome back to whatever this is. I'm not entirely sure. I just kind of wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I've been working on lately. Let me see. So, earlier this week, I don't actually have the first model because it got fucked up pretty bad. But I do have the second model, which also got fucked up pretty bad. Uh, you may be able to tell already, it's relatively Lego, right? It looks pretty good. Um, yeah, kind of falling apart. Threw it on the floor there. But this is the third model, and not the final, not yet, because I fucked this one up too. But I've got one just about to start. The printer's heating up, but check that out. That's looking a lot better, huh? Look at that. His butt still needs work. Downsides to this one, it doesn't separate. It's all one solid piece. The arms don't move, nothing. I already lost him. Yeah, significantly bigger, much more fine-tuned, or you know. Let's see. Yeah, I shouldn't have thrown it. There we go. So you may be able to tell on the back there. If it'll focus. Yeah, it's not very fine like it is on this one. Like, you can see the difference there. It's pretty significant. So clearly it's Darth Vader. And the main reason I'm printing this out is because I'm in the Reddit Secret Santa. And he put two things in his description, which was Star Wars and mushrooms. And I haven't shown you the mushroom part yet. But this is the little mushroom that I printed. I thought it was kind of cool. And it did have a lightsaber hilt, but the hilt broke. It was not capable of supporting this much weight. So yeah, I'm working on a different design right now. I can actually show you guys right here. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. You guys aren't even going to be able to see it because it's just a camera. I shouldn't have booted that up. Oh, nerds. Alright, well, whatever. I separated it out into 4 different pieces. The mushroom with lightsaber hilt is one piece. The legs are another piece, and they will come with like a little stand to put it on. The chest and arms are going to be one piece, so you're still not going to be able to move the arms. The legs won't be able to move much either, but you'll be able to separate them from the body. And then the head will also be part of the chest, but the helmet will be able to be separated and put on. Yeah, well, we'll see how this works. It's got 23 hours before it finishes. It just barely started, so we'll see. I have to get this shipped by the 20th, so it is now the 8th, so I don't have much time. Fuck. I'm gonna have to put a lot of work into this over the next week, because the 20th is not this Friday, but next Friday. Okay, that's good. At least I have one more weekend to work on this. I'll do an update video at that point. Show you guys what it's looking like. I wish I could show you the printer, but I only have the one camera. And it does not have a camera built in. I might build one in at some point, but I don't know. Oh, you know what? I just realized you guys might be able to... I don't know if this will work out very well, but... Oh, man, that is difficult. So you can kind of see like how fine the detail is in that one comparatively to yeah, I mean, I'm doing my best here. I don't know. There we go. It's a 720p camera. There's not much I can do about that. If you guys want me to get a better camera, you're just gonna have to go to the Patreon. I hate the fact that I have to, kind of ask for things, but I can't support myself entirely on this. And in order to upgrade any of my equipment, I'm just going to need help. That's what it is. I am working with my friends on building a bigger business out of... Well, okay, I shouldn't say that. Not a business, but to build a bigger venture out of this is what we're trying to do. We're trying to make it so that our combined efforts can turn this into something really amazing. Not just my channel, but a lot of the stuff that we're working on together. And honestly, I can't wait for that all to work out. Another thing I'm working on right now is I'm actually going to take this Pi TFT screen here, and I am going to 3D print a housing for it so that it will look like an old computer. And then it'll connect to the Raspberry Pi, which will have USB ports out, and I should be able to treat it like a Commodore 64, because why not? I want to learn Commodore Basic Commodore? Something like that. I think it would be fun. I already know TI Basic, and I know a little bit of Basic 256, so I think it would be fun to learn a different type of Basic, even though it's pretty much the same. It just has more limitations. Either way, I'm excited for that. Another thing I'm working on, you guys have already seen this a little bit, but I'm working on this robot here. What I actually want to do is I want to take my longboard and transform it, or at least make a new one. It's not actually my longboard, it's my uncle's, but I want to take a longboard and I want to give it, like, all-terrain motor capabilities, because I'm really lazy and I'm not very good at riding the longboard. Oh, weird, why is that patch darker? I don't know. It's just camera angles there. So basically what I want it to do, if I can tear this tread off of here, so like tanks are, you know, like this, but I want to do the triangle method. Is there an easy way to... Yeah, I want it to look kind of like this. So all that needs is a gear over here, and a gear up here. No particular reason, I just think that looks cooler. I'm also debating on possibly doing it more Martian rover style with like 6 different wheels that can change positions independently of each other, and I think that would be great too, but a lot harder as far as getting power to the wheels, because I'd have to get motors for each wheel, and I don't know if I could supply enough power to move my body, you know what I mean? Like, I want it to be able to go at least 18 miles an hour or so, and that's not going to be easy. Not at all. Wheels are going to be easier than tracks as far as that goes, but getting them all to move independently of each other is going to be the problem, and I'm going to have to use my Arduino and my Raspberry Pi probably in order to get that thing working in a state in which I'll be able to drive it. And then I want to make it controlled kind of like a Wii nunchuck. God, I cannot talk today. Anyway, I want to make it work as if you're holding like a Wii nunchuck or an Oculus remote, where you've got the thumbstick and you've got 2 triggers. It's really all you need for, you know, forward, backwards, or brake, and then directional. I think it'd be a really cool project, and I'm going to have to look into a lot more about what I'm going to need to do for that. If you guys have any projects you want me to think about, leave a comment down below. If you want me to print out something interesting, like I could try to print out something, you know, like this. It's not going to look good, but I can try. Sometimes I forget I have these, man. They just sit up here. It goes the same for a lot of the stuff I have up here. Like a flux capacitor. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and have a good one.